This is dry ice, a special frozen gas, CO2 gas, and today I'm gonna show you where to buy it in Moscow and also what you can do with it. Its temperature is minus 80 degrees, so it's melting instantly. Ooh, smoky! Dry ice is used for science shows for kids. There are a lot of interesting experiences with dry ice, and entertainers from all around Moscow come to this small outlet. You can find here not only dry ice but also liquid nitrogen which has temperature almost minus 200 degrees Celsius. What? I have a video with liquid nitrogen and I've made ice cream with it, so if you're interested, click this thing. Dry ice evaporates so fast that you cannot hold it in the fridge or in a metal container. Instead of that, people use foam board containers. Dry ice is non-toxic because it's a carbon dioxide, the thing that we breathe out. I'm like a dragon! The only thing, you shouldn't touch it with your hand because it's too cold, minus 80 degrees. Let's make the most popular experiment with dry ice. This experiment requires hot water, hot boiling water, and dry ice. Well, I'm gonna combine them together. So it's gonna be awesome! The smoke itself is very warm because the water evaporates and it's boiling water, and you also can do this. I thought like I'm a vapor, but I'm not. As I told before, this gas is non-toxic. The only thing you have to do is to have a good ventilated room, so there can be a fresh air. This carbon dioxide means actually that a lot of people have breathed out for the same time. Tell me, what do you think about this video in the comments below, and see you next time. Bye! I cannot go anywhere because the table is too close to me. I'm gonna disappear.